take this step apart. Use a hammer and a chisel. Said that backwards. Hammer and chisel. They're glued together, so you don't want to break them. You want to slowly pry them apart if you can. Sometimes they do not pry well. I hope it's not one of these times, but it might be. Glue. What I do is I put them together upside down so that there's like a matched pair. So this is all being laid out the way it was put in so that we can put it back together the way it was put in.
Right now I'm just spinning off these wall blocks. I'm making sure there's no dirt on them, and I'm chipping off this glue so that the caps sit nice and tight on them. There's no wobbling.
Gotta hit the angles. You wanna be like this? You wanna be like this. Gotta get it right. Usually when I hit the angles, I have my phone out snapping like I'm famous, but for this, I use my chisel.